Hello everyone, this is Tasmina. In this video, I will teach you how to create a website using the 2014 theme that comes with WordPress version 3.9.1. This is the new WordPress theme. It is of its new style, which is very beautiful. So we quickly take a look at the website we will create in this video. This is the home page of the website we will create, and as we can see, there are 6 blog posts. Note that images and photos are the focal points of homepage. This theme is a magazine style one. The 2014 can be a very good theme to you if you are looking to showcase your content. Also showcase specific blog content if you wish. 2014 theme has also 2 navigation menus. One you can see on the right hand side and one on the left hand corner. Also, the 2014 theme has a very cool feature since the right hand corner menu stays fixed when you navigate throughout the website. I can scroll down and you can see that the menu stays fixed here. So when I click on any of these blog posts, the menu stays still. I can click on this one, for example. Now I am on this blog post. As you can see, the menu bar is still visible as I scroll down. WordPress is highly commendable for this theme, and it is noted that this is the best theme yet, and as well as a very clear typography, and you can see the details of the blog post, as well as you have a sidebar here at the right hand side. That means you can easily navigate to your post. On the right hand side you can place things like video, galleries, audio and image posts, and I'm shortly going to teach you how to paste these in your website. Now let's take a quick look into the internal pages of our website. I'm going to go to the About page and click on About page. Now let's take a look at our About page. As we can see, there's a very large image here. A featured image of the 2014 theme gives us an idea of the content of the blog. Effect and influence of the image have been really put into focus by WordPress with the 2014 theme this time. We can see the content here. WordPress has made this design of really high standard. As you can see, there's a very clear typography as well as a lot of white space in these 2 sides, which makes it look quite nice and clean. You can also add a sidebar here if you want and publish your audio video galleries, and I want to keep it simple and neat. Now I'm going to go to the contact page. I'm going to click on contact to view my contact page. Okay, once on the contact page, you can see that we have a photo here, the sidebars. This contact page is a nice way for your visitors to contact you directly within your website. I will shortly teach you how to set up this page so that any one of your visitors can input their data and submit a message to you. Now I am going to go back to my website. Here I am going to show you how to put these social icons and how to put your Facebook page here, which is very important to you since your visitors can directly connect to you. And I'm going to show you also how to edit this sidebar here to place the menu areas, the search box, and as well as how to place this one here. But before that, you should know that the like us social medias are very important features since visitors stay connected with us through a long time and they remember us through these social medias. Now I'm going to see a blog post. I'm going to randomly click on that one. Okay, once here you're going to view the blog post. We can see that we have a beautiful featured image here, the sidebars, the video post, a gallery post, audio post and an image post. Also, we have a title for our blog post, and viewers can easily share your blog post social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, Google and LinkedIn. They can also like this. I'm going to show you how to put this here. I'm going to teach you a very cool feature of the website. We're going to go back to our home page. Once on the home page, I'm going to teach you this cool feature. As you can see, when I minimize the screen size, the content just minimize itself, and this is a very cool feature for mobile, iPhone and on tablets, since everybody has a tablet and they connect to internet directly using their tablet or their phone, so they can easily navigate through your website. And it's very important how your website look on small devices, so we don't have to worry, since it is a very high design and stylish website, and it responds to phone as well, and the element respond to the screen size. Okay, I'm just going to go to this website. You can see we have the contents here and everything that we just posted to the website. So now we're going to get started with our website, and we're going to build a website together. So what do you need to make the website and how much it's going to cost you? Okay, we need to know how much our website is going to cost us. So the domain name is going to cost us $12.96. The web hosting plans varies from price. You can choose the billing cycle. So from hostgator.com, it is starting from $4 a month or plus. It varies to your web hosting plans, as well as we have to use a theme which is coming free with the WordPress version, as well as we need some time, which is approximately 1 or 2 hours. If you're using hostgator.com, note that there's a coupon code here which you can add to get discount. This is the coupon code if you're using for the winning of 1 month, and this is the coupon code you are using if you're making the bills for 6 or 1 year. I would like to thank you because you're helping me to make free learning videos for you. And now we're going to get started, but before we get started, we're going to see what we need to do. First step is that we need a domain name and web hosting. The second step is that we need to install WordPress, and the third step is that we need to build a website, which will be shortly done in front of you. Now, to buy our domain and website hosting plans, I'm going to go to hostgator.com. We are now on hostgator.com to buy our web hosting plan for our website. To buy a web hosting plan, I'm going to click on the View Web Hosting Plan to view which hosting plan HostGator offers me for my website. Now here we see that we have 3 types of plan: the hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. If you're a new user, I'd personally recommend you to go with the hatchling or the baby plan. And the main difference between these 2 plans is that the hatchling plan offers us with the feature of a single domain, whereas the baby plan offers us with unlimited domain. These 2 varies with price as well, but for me, I'm going to choose the baby plan since this feature is quite of good use for me. So to order this plan, I'm going to click on Order Now. We are now going to enter a new domain name, or if you already own a domain name, you can type your domain name here. But since I don't have a domain right now, I'm going to register a new domain name. I'm going to write simply my name, and I wrote in randomly write a number. As you can see, hostgator.com offers us with a lot of options. You can choose from these .net, .org, .info and .biz. But .com is the most popular one, and I would go with .com. Now, as we have chosen the baby plan, we can see that it's already written baby plan. We also have the billing cycle for 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 24 and 36 months. If you're a new user, I would rather suggest you to go with the 1 month package. Here, you're going to write your username and your security PIN. And below that is your billing information, your email, your first name, last name, company name, cell phone number, address, and all credit card information. As we can see, hostgator.com offers us with a lot of add-ons as well. The domain privacy protection, site lock, site backups, and SEO gears. These are very good features, but if I would say once again you're a new user and you want to save in your budget, I would suggest you not take any one of these, or if you want to secure your domain, you could simply take the domain privacy protection one. Now, as we see here, hostgate.com already has put a coupon code for us, but as you can see, the price to get started for our website is $20, and I'm going to put a coupon code here which will give you a lot of more discount in your price. Thank you M1. If you want to use thank you M1, you just have to click on validate, and now we see that the price varied by $8. It was previously $20 to get started for a website, but it's now only $12. I would suggest you once that if you have taken a billing system for 6 months or 1 year, use the coupon code M6. But since I have taken for only 1 month, I'm going to use the M1. The M6 offers you 25% discount to get started with your website. I'm going to put the M1 again since I've chosen the billing cycle for 1 month only. Now you have already seen the fee structure, and to get started you just only have to click on the I have read and agree to the terms and conditions of use. By clicking on that, you have agreed to its term and condition, and we just have to create an account now. To create the account, we're going to click on the create account. Remember, once your account is created, you're going to receive an email. Now on my email, HostGator has sent us the email so that we can access our control panel. Here is the link to our control panel, the username and the password. Keep this email very safely, since whenever you access your control panel, you're going to need this username and the password. So now we are going to grab this link here to enter the control panel. Okay, I've already put my username here, so I'm going to put my password and click on login to log into my cPanel. Okay, we've successfully logged in the HostGator control panel. So from here, we have to install WordPress for our website. We're going to just scroll down till software and services, and we're going to click on quick install. As you can see, with HostGator, it's quite easy to install WordPress. Okay, now I'm here. HostGator.com offers us with a lot of software which can be installed to your website. As you can see it on the left hand corner. So I'm just going to simply add WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress. I'm going to click on simply continue to install the WordPress. The version 3.9.1, the latest version right now, but the time you might be installing WordPress to your website, a new version might have been released. So do not hesitate to install that version to your website. So I'm just going to click on continue to install WordPress to my website. Okay, now once here, we have to place the admin email, the blog title, the admin username. Remember, a lot of people use admin or administration or even support, but I would suggest you to use your name or a different admin user. After doing that, we have to click on install now to get started with our website. So I'm going to click on install now. Congratulations, your installation is now ready. You can grab this link here to go to your website, and you should use this username and password to access it. Also remember that this piece of note is quite important, because in future you're going to use this information to access your WordPress website. Okay, we are now on our website. So as you can see, this is the most basic form of the website. From here, we are going to add post and photograph audio, and anything you want to add to your website to make it beautiful. Also, note that at the time of the recording, 3.9.1 is the latest version of WordPress. So if you have an update here when you have bought your website, so don't hesitate to go with the latest version of WordPress. Also, you're going to notice that there are a few steps that most new users would like to click on when they're going to create their website, but I'm going to click on dismiss. Okay. Now I'm going to add my blog post. As you can see, in WordPress, it's quite easy to create a blog post. You can hover over new to add a blog post and click on this post, or also you can click here post, add new to post a blog post to your website. So I'm going to click here on add new. Once here, we have to place a title to our blog post. So I've written this title, and we also have to place the blog post content. So I've selected some random content which I will place here. As you can see, WordPress offers us this toolbar which is called the kitchen sink. You can easily edit your content with WordPress. You don't need to remember all this as well, since when you hover over it, its function is already written. Also, when you're posting this post, the format should be in standard. If you want to see the HTML code for this content, you have to click on text. WordPress creates all the HTML code for you. If you want to learn about it, you just have to click on text and have a look at it. I'll keep it on visual. Now we have to add a category to our blog post. I'm going to click on add new category. My category will be blog. So again, I'm going to click on add new category to add this category. I am going to add a tag to my blog post. I'm going to put a random tag to this post, and I'm going to click on add to add this tag to my blog post. Okay. Also, now I have to set a featured image to this post. I'm going to click on set featured image. Now I will click on select file to upload my image to this blog post. I have some photos here. I'm going to click on this photo to place it here. I have the image here. I'm going to place a title for this image. I'm going to place a title. And I'm going to place an alternative text here, same as the title. You can write a description to your photo if you want, but I'm going to keep it rather simple. I'm going to click on set featured image to set this image to my blog post. So I'll click on it. Okay, as you can see, we have the image here. Okay, as you can see here, there's a permalink. This is the URL for this blog post. Now I'm going to click on publish to publish this post to our website. I'll click on publish. It's publishing right now. Our post is already published, so I can click on view post to view this blog post, or I can visit my site as well from here. I'm going to click on view post to view this blog post. Okay, see how beautiful it is looking with the photo on top and clear typography of our content. We have these two sides white and it is looking quite clear and clean with WordPress. We have also an option which I will teach you later to put your audio or your video in the sidebar here. So we have the content. We're going to put another blog post to our site. So I'm going to click on New simply, Post. Okay, I'm going to place a title here. Okay, I am now going to grab some content that I selected randomly here. I have my content. It's in the standard format. I'm going to teach you a new thing here, how to place image in the content. So you just have to place your cursor wherever you want to figure out your image. So I'm going to put an image here. I'm going to click on Add Media to put an image. I'm going to click on Add Media and I'll upload a file. I'll click on Select File to click for this photo. So I'll click on Open File. Now I have my photo here. I place a title for this photo. And as well as I'll place the alternative text. As I said to you, you can place a description if you want to, but I'll keep it basic. I'm not linking at all. Also, you can place a URL. That means you can attach a URL to your photo. If someone clicks on this photo, it directly links to your website. So I'm going to keep it on none. I'll keep it simple. So I'm going to insert this photo into the post. I'm going to click simply on Insert into Post. Now, as you can see, I have this photo inside my blog post. I'm going to place the category. I've already written the category in the previous post, so I'm going to click on blog here. It's in the blog category. I'm going to place the tag. It's already here, psychology. I'm going to place on add. And I'm going to set a featured image for this blog post as well. I'm going to click on set featured image. I'll upload a file. I'm going to click on upload. Select my file. And I'll click on this one to put it as my featured image. Okay, once uploaded, I'm going to place the title for this photo as well. And also the alternative text. You can place the description if you want. I'm going to click on set featured image to set it my featured image. So here we can see it is already set to be our featured image. I'm going to click on publish to publish this blog post. Now when it's already published, I can click on view on post, or I can click here to visit my site. I'm going to click on view post to view my blog post. Okay, you can see here I have my blog post and a photo inside the blog post. Photo and images are quite the focal points of a website, and you should place, I'm not telling you a lot of photos, but a quite amount of photo to attract viewers your website. So now I'm going to place 6 blog posts and I'm going to join you again. Okay, welcome back. We're now on our website with the blog posts I told you I'm going to place. There are in total 6 blog posts. Now I'm going to customize these blog posts into the style of the magazine. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. Once here I'm going to click on appearance, then customize. We're now going to customize our website into the magazine style one. As you can see here, WordPress offers us with a quite lot of options to put edits in our site. So I'm going to click on site title and tagline. This one is really important. The site title can be your domain name or either your blog name. I have already put this here. I've already placed my tagline. I put my domain name. If you don't want to place your site title and tagline, you can click here. You can place a color, but background may only be visible on widescreen. This is the background colors and you don't need to put this, so it's not that much required. I'm going to go to static front page. This theme is the magazine style theme, so I'm going to put it on your latest posts because I want my latest post to figure on my website always. So I'm now going to go on the featured content. Okay, I am going to choose a layout for my website. WordPress offers me with 2 types of layout. The slider one, this one is the slider one, as you can see, and the grid one. I'm going to go for the grid one. The grid one offers me with the magazine style theme, which is quite good for this website. I'm going to put a tag name here, which I've already put it here. Now I'm going to save and publish. I'll click on close. Okay, once here you can visit your site. Now the site is looking quite good with this type of theme and it gives a nice look. We are now going to remove this Hello World here. So we're going to go to our dashboard. I'll click on Read Today, Dashboard. To remove the Hello World, we are going to click on Post. We're going to scroll down till Hello World. As you see here, we're going to click on Trash. Select it first and click on Trash to simply remove this post. Once removed, you can see your site again. You can click on Read Today and visit your site. Okay. We don't have the Hello World now since we removed it from the post. Now we're going to add a video post to our website. So I'm going to click on Read Today. Again on the dashboard. You can also click on New here, but I'm going to go this way. Click on Post. Add new post. The same as we did for the blog post. Now we're going to add a video to it. Okay, once here I'm going to place a title for my video post. So I'm just going to create the title. After that, I'm going to grab a YouTube link to the content here. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to grab this videos content. Okay, I'm going to post this link here, the URL for my YouTube channel. After that, I have to choose the format for this post. Since this one is a video post, I'm going to click on video rather than this standard format. You can publish a little of writing here if you want, but I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to add a category. I have already placed one category. If you want to place a new category, you can click on new, add new category. Then you place the category and add it again. But I've already placed it here. I'm going to click on money. And I'm going to add a tag to this post. My tag will be video. I'll keep it simple. I'm going to click on add to add this tag. Now I'm going to set an image for this video post. I'm going to click on set featured image. I'm going to click on upload file to upload my featured image. I already selected this photo and click on open. Okay, my photo is uploading. Once uploaded, I'll put a title. I'll put an alternative text. You can place a description as I said before, but I like to keep it simple. To set this my featured image, I'm going to click on set featured image. Okay, now this photo is set up as my featured image. Once over, I'm going to click on publish. Okay, once published, I'm going to view post by clicking on view post here. Okay, now we are on our video post. This is our video post. See how beautiful it looks with the photo on top and a video here. Now I am going to create a gallery for my website. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, but make sure that you have installed Jetpack before doing this gallery to your website. I've already installed Jetpack here, as you can see. If you haven't installed Jetpack, you can go to plugin. To add new plugin, type a plugin here. You type Jetpack, search plugin. See here there's Jetpack by WordPress. We have a lot of Jetpack, but this one is by WordPress, so I'm going to choose that one. I have it already installed. If it's not installed on your website, you just have to click on install now. It's going to be here, install now. You click on it and this plugin is going to be installed in your website. Since it's already installed, I am going to my dashboard again. On our dashboard, there's a link here, connect to WordPress. I am going to click on this here, which will direct me to the WordPress page. Okay, we are now on WordPress. If you want to connect Jetpack with WordPress, you have to sign up, or if you already have an account, you just need to sign in with your username and password. I already have a Jetpack account. If you don't have a Jetpack account, you're going to click on here, need an account. So I'm going to click on here. Okay, for the sign up procedure, you need to write your email, username and password. Since we already have a WordPress website, we're going to click on sign up just for your username. So I'm going to click here. Okay, you now only need to put your email, username and password. Once you have put these information, you have connected your WordPress with Jetpack and you can get started. So I have already done this procedure. I'm going to directly log in. Okay, I'm already logged in. So now to authorize Jetpack to my website, I'm going to click on authorize Jetpack so that I can have Jetpack features for my website. So I'm going to click on authorize Jetpack. Okay. Okay, once here we are on the Jetpack now. From here I'm going to add a lot of features, in fact, to our website. So I'm going to click on view all Jetpack features. I'm going to add first the Jetpack comments. I'm going to click on Jetpack comments. The Jetpack comments enable your visitors to use their WordPress.com, Twitter or Facebook accounts when commenting on your site. That means my visitors will be able to leave comments for my blog post or image post. So that is a very good feature. After that, I'm going to also add the carousel. The carousel has a very good feature since it gives a very beautiful full screen photo when you're browsing around your website. So I'm going to get this one as well. After that, I'm going to add the sharing feature. I'm going to scroll down till the sharing feature, this one. This sharing feature enables your viewers or visitors to share your blog post within the social medias. I'm going to add these three ones first. I'm going to click on settings to add these features. On setting, I'm going to click activate for the carousel, which is going to enable a beautiful look for my image post. Okay, the carousel is activated. If you want to deactivate it, you can click on deactivate whenever you want. Okay, I'm going to go now to Jetpack comments. I'm going to activate this one as well. Once this one is activated, I'm going to go on sharing. It's activated. I'm going to go on sharing. I'm going to activate sharing. Okay, the sharing one, I'm going to configure it. I'm going to go to sharing. Okay, as you can see here, I have a lot of social media whereby which my blog post can be shared. I'm going to drag and drop Facebook here to enable services so that this can be available on my blog post. I'm going to drop down Twitter, Pinterest, and in this small box here, I'm going to drop down LinkedIn, Stumble Open, and Google. Okay, this is going to show us a more here when this one will be previewed on your post. Okay, now after that, I'm going to choose that these icons should be showed on my post. So after this, I'm going to click on save changes. Saved. I'm now going back to my Jetpack. Once on my Jetpack offers us with the feature of a tile gallery. You can click on view all features of Jetpack, the tile gallery one. I'm going to click on it. This one offers us with a different type of layout for a gallery on our website. So to activate this one, I'm going to go on setting directly. And to activate the tile gallery one, I'm going to scroll down till tile galleries. I'm going to click on activate. Now it's activating. Once activated, I'm going to configure this. I'll go till tile gallery again. I'll click on configure. you can choose the size of your image. And also remember that you can select the background color of the image gallery carousel. That means your image is going to show up and there's going to be a background. Add a figure out a color. I'm going to put it black, let it be black because it's going to look nice. And I'm going to save changes. Okay, I'm going to click on new and pose to create a tile gallery pose for our website. So okay, I'm going to now place a title for my gallery post. I'll place a title randomly. Freedom of life. Okay, now done with the title. I'm going to click on add media to add photos from our gallery. I'm going to click on create gallery. Okay, I'm going to click on this one, this one, this one, and I'm going to click on this one, as well as I'm going to upload file as well, little of files. I'm going to click on this one, open. I'll upload one more. I'll put that one as well, open one. Okay, I already have my photos. Now I'm going to click on create new gallery to upload these photos to my gallery. So I'm going to click on create new gallery. After that, here you can see you can reorder your images. Before that, I'm going to link my files to none. I don't want it to be linked. I want it in none. Okay, I have 6 photos. I'm going to make it nice with 3 columns by 2 rows. Okay, it's okay with that. I'm going to choose the tile mosaic design because it's quite beautiful for the website. I'm going to reorder this one. I'll place that here. Okay, I like it like this. I'm going to click on insert gallery to add these photos to my gallery and to post this. Once done, I'm going to take the gallery format. I'll place a category. I'll choose the block category. If you want to take a new category, you have just to click on add new category, place a category to this pose. I'm going to put a tag. I'll write a tag photos. I'll click on add. I'm going to set a featured image. I click on set featured image. I already have an image here. I'll click on my image. Okay, the title and the alternative text have already been written. I've not put a description. You can put it if you want, but I like to keep it simple. I'm going to click on set featured image to set this image as my featured image. I'll click on it. Okay, the featured image has already been set. Once done with that, I'm going to click on publish to publish this gallery post. Once published, view this post as we did before in the previous examples. We can click on view post. I'll click on that. Okay, as you can see, we have a very beautiful featured image painting with our mosaic tile gallery. We have the images here, and as well as we have the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and the more options. we have the stumble upon Google and LinkedIn as we did for the sharing in the jetpack. It's quite beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how to add an audio post to your website. So we are going to click on new post. Okay, now we also have to again place a title for our audio post. So I'm going to place a title. I'm placing a random title. And now I have to click on add media. And I'll click on upload file. Select file. I'll select an MP3 file. That one. Click on open. Okay, my file is uploaded. I already have my title. I'm going to place a description. I'll place a description. Already selected. Now I want this to be embedded with the media player. It's already on the embed media player. I'm going to click on insert into post to post this one. After that, I'm going to choose a format. Obviously this one is an audio post, so I'm going to choose the audio. Once done, I'm going to place it in the block category once again. I'm going to place a tag audio. I'm going to click on add. Now I'm going to set a featured image for my audio post. For that, I am going to upload a file. Select file. Okay, I am now going to choose my featured image. I'll take this one. I'll click on open. It's already here. It's uploading right now. Once uploaded, I'll place the alternative text. And you can put a description if you want, as I said to you. I'm going to place a description this time. Okay, after that I'm going to set featured image. Okay, once done, I'm going to publish my post. Okay, we can view our post here by clicking on view post. I'm going to click here. Okay, as we can see, we have our featured image here and our audio post. You can hear it. Here to it. Okay, you can hear to it. Last, I'm going to show you how to add an image post. I'm going to hover over new post. I'll place a title. You can place your content here. Then, before your content, you place your cursor, as we did in our second example. After that, you can click on add media. You can add a photo. Place the alternative text. You can place a description if you want. As you can see here, I'm not linking my attachment at all. You can select the size, full size, and you're going to click insert into post to insert this into your blog post. Okay, I'm going to edit this one right now. Believe in yourself. We can place another image here if you want. Again, you have to click on add media. I'll click on upload file, or if you want, you can choose any photo which is available here. I'll click on upload file, select files, I'll choose a photo, choose this one, open, it's downloading. Okay, I'll copy the alternative text here as well. Again, I'm not linking. Insert into post. You can place your content here. Okay, I'm going to place my content here. As I said, you can edit your content. I'm going to edit this content here. I'll place in bold, this one as well. Place in bold, italics as well. Also, previously we had chosen the format standard when we were placing photos inside our blog post, but here we are going to choose it more precisely. We're going to take the image one, since we have less content and more images. So now I am going to place a category, the blog category. I'm going to place a tag, blog. No, not blog. Place a tag. Image. Added. I'm going to set my featured image. I'll choose not this one. I'll choose this one. I'll place my alternative text as well. I'm going to click on set featured image to set my image. Okay, my image is already set. So I'm going now to click on publish. Okay, once published, you can click on view post as we did before to view this post. I'll click on view post. Okay, we have our featured image here and our image post. Now we're going to visit our site, go to dashboard. Visit our site. Okay, once on our site, we can see that we have the blog post here, our 6 blog posts that we have published. Previously, we have our image post, our audio post, we have our tile gallery. I'll click on the tile gallery. We can see our image. As we had previously activated the carousel settings from the Jetpack, the slideshow for our image has quite a cool layout. Okay, I'm going to go back. And below that we have our video post. Once done with that, I'm going to edit the headers here and as well as here. So far we have been adding a lot of blog posts, but now we are going to add pages to our website. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. Once here I'm going to click on new page. First page we're going to add is the about page. I'm going to click here. We're going to enter a title, about page. Once here I'm going to place my content. I choose a random tags. Well, I'll place my cursor here where I want to put an image. It's gone. Okay, I'll place my cursor here. Enter. Okay, I'm going to add a media. Upload my file. I'll click on select files. Once here, I'm going to add a random photo. You can place your photo here so that whenever your visitors come to your site, they can acknowledge you. So here I'm going to place a title for my photo. I'm going to place an alternative text. After that, I'm going to click on insert into page. Okay. Here you have to choose a template. I am going to choose the full width page. You can also choose the sidebar page, but I'm not going to choose the sidebar right now. We have to add a featured image. So I'm going to click on set featured image. I'm going to choose this one. The title and the alternative text already placed. I'm going to click on set featured image. After that, I'm going to click on publish to publish my page, and click on view page to view my page. Okay, we are now on our about page. As you can see here, there's a sample page and the about page. So I have the featured image, the photo. Normally there should be your photo here, but if you want to keep privacy, you need not to put your photo. And about me, it shows a random text. Now we're going to remove the sample page and place a contact page and a home page. So I'm going to go to dashboard. To remove the sample page, I'm going to click on pages, all pages. I'm going to select sample page and do trash. To delete this sample page. Once deleted, I only have my about page. Okay, I am now going to add a contact page. To add a contact page, before we need the contact form. So for that, I'm going to go to Jetpack. I'll click on Jetpack. Once on Jetpack, we're going to add the contact form. First, we're going to see the features of the contact form. So I'm going to click on View All Jetpack Features. I'm going to scroll down till contact form. Okay, I'll click on contact form. Okay, the contact form is a great way to offer your readers the ability to get in touch without giving out your personal email address. So we are going to add this form. To add this form, we are going to go to setting. Okay, once on setting, I'm going to add the contact form. To add this, I'm going to simply click on activate. Okay, congratulations, your contact form has been activated. Now I will add my contact page. You can add your contact page by clicking on pages, add new, or either simply on new and pages. I'm going to click on page. I'm going to place a title for my contact page. Obviously I'll write contact me or contact here. Once here, I'm going to add a contact form for my contact page. I'm going to click on add contact form. Okay, once here, if everything looks good, I'm just going to click on add this form to my post. So I'm going to click here. Once here, you can see that WordPress creates a code for this contact form. So we are going simply to click for the template. I'm going to click for the default template here, and it's already selected. This template includes a sidebar. After that, I'm going to remove the comment for my contact page. So I'm going to unclick for the comment, as well as I'm going to remove the sharing setting. I'm going to remove this. Or also you can go here, click on screen option, remove discussion, which will automatically remove the comment and the sharing features. So then I'm going to set a featured image for my contact page. I'm going to choose a photo. I'll choose a simple photo. Just that one. Set featured image. Okay, my image is already set here. After that, I'm going to just click on publish to publish the contact page. Once published, I'm going to click on view page to view my contact page. Okay, we are now on our contact page. As you can see here, this is the contact form. People who visit your website can submit you a message by leaving their email address here or even their website. Okay, once now we're going to add a computer page. Again, I'm going to click on new page. Okay, I'm going to place a title, contributors. Now I am going to select the template, the contributor page, as well as I'm going to again turn off the sharing button, as well as the comments. I'm going to click on screen option. As you can see, the discussion is already not selected. That means no comment can be left on this page. So I'm not going to set a featured image for this page. I'm just going to click on publish. Once published, I'm going to click on view page to view this page. Okay, you can see that here that there are 10 articles without a name of the country over with the pages. Now I'm going to add a menu for our website. I'm going to go here, dashboard. From the dashboard you could directly go to the menu, but I'm going to go here, appearance as well. From appearance you can go to the menus. Okay, once here I'm going to create a menu. I'm going to call it menu, place a title here. Once done, I'm going to click on create menu. Okay, our menu is created. I'm going to just simply click on contributor, contact me, and about here. Okay, once I've selected them, I'm going to click on add to menu to add them to my menu here. Okay, here you can select the orders of the menu. I'm going to place this, the last one, contact me first. You can even place the about me page first. I'm going to click it here to save this. Okay, once done with that, I'm going to click on save menu. Okay, once saved, I'm going to add a home page for my website. To add a home page, we're going to click on links. I'm going to place the link of my website. I'm going to write the URL for my website here. I'll just paste the URL. Once that, I'm going to add a link text which will be home, and I'm going to click on add to menu. Once this is added to my menu, I'm going to place it on the top here so that it figures out to be the first page here. Once done, I'm again going to click on save menu. Okay, my menu is saved. Now the next step is the menu location. I'm going to click on the manage location. Once here you can know that WordPress offers us two menus, the top primary menu, the secondary menu in the left side bar, here one, I'm going to use the same menu for both of them. So I'm going to click on menu here, and here as well I'm going to click on save changes. Once the changes has been saved, I'm going to view my website. So I'm going to click on view site. Okay, as we can see here, we have our two menus here: home, about, contributor and contact me page, as well as here we have these here. Now I'm going to edit this site, and I'm going to add social media icons here and my Facebook like box as well. So to do that, I am going to configure a widget on our website. So I'm going to go to dashboard. You can go activate your Jetpack widget visibility. So I'm going to go to Jetpack. Okay, once on Jetpack, I'm going to Jetpack settings, and now I'm going to activate the extra widget setting so that your Facebook shows up here. If you don't activate this one, you're not going to be able to add the Facebook like box. So I'm going to click on activate. Once activated, I'm going to activate the like as well, so that people can like posts or even your photos from this social media. I'm going to click on like, activate. Once activated, you can see that I've chosen a few of the Jetpack settings, the gravatar hover cards. We have also publicize, shortcode embeds, the subscription. I'm going to activate the WordPress.com stats as well. Click on activate. Once done, I'm going to go to appearance, then to widget. Okay, once on the widget, you can see we can edit the sidebars of our website. Okay, the main sidebar that appears on the left is the primary sidebar. I don't want the recent post. I'm going to place it here, just drag and drop at the side to remove these. From here, I'll keep the search one. Okay, I'm going to add the Facebook like box. So simply I'm going to just drag and drop. I'll drop this here. Okay, I'm going to place a title here. Join us on Facebook. Once here, I'm going to place my Facebook page URL. You can place your Facebook page URL if you have one. If you don't have one, you can create one. Now I'm going to keep the width 200 and the height 110. The color scheme I'm going to keep it dark, and I'm not going to take either of them, and I'm just going to click on save. I'm going to configure the content sidebar. I'm going to click on the content sidebar. Okay, once here, I'm going to use a special widget which is called the 2014 ephemera. I'm just going to place it here. Okay, once here I can place a title for that. Once I'm going to place the number of posts I want to show, it's 2. I've chosen the video format. I'm going to click on save. Now again, I'm going to use the special widget. I'm going to again place it here. I am now going to use a different format which is called the gallery one. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to do the same for audio and my image one. I'm going to again drag and drop. I'm going to click on the image. No, the audio looks better. Audio, save, once again, drag and drop. Again, it's the format. Now it's the image one, and I'm going to save it. Okay, after that I'm going to view my website by clicking on read today, visit site. Okay, we are now on the website. As you can see here, it's written join us on Facebook. If your visitors come to your site, they can click here and join you on your Facebook page. Now we can see that we have the sidebar here as we put the format, the video, gallery, audio and the image post. Now we're going to go to the contact page. I'm going to click on contact me. We can see here that we have our photo and details as well. So if you want to go to this page, or if you want to go to any page or from the sidebar, you can just click simply on it. Once we click on it, we're going to go to the page of this sidebar which appears. We are on the page, video page right now. You can also share this video by using these share buttons, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and by clicking on more, you can share it on Stumble Upon, Google and LinkedIn. You can also like this video. Now I am going to add some social sharing icons to the menu on the left side. For that, I'm going to use a special plugin called Social Simple Icons. So I'm going to go to dashboard. Okay, once on my dashboard, I'm going to add a plugin to show my social media icon. So I'm going to click on plugin, add new plugin. I am going to search for the Social Simple Icon plugin. Social, okay, it's already written here. I'm going to click on it. Search for the plugin. Okay, I have it here. I'm going to click on install now to install this plugin. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. Once this has been installed, I am going to click on the activate plugin to activate this plugin. This plugin has been installed. You can see it here. Now once it has been installed, I'm going to go to appearance, then widget. I am going to edit the primary sidebar. I'm going to remove that one. Okay, I am going to drag and drop the simple social icons to my primary sidebar. I'm going to put it in between the search and the Facebook like box. Okay, I'm going to give this a title. Once I've given this a title, I am going to place the social media's URL. Okay, I have already saved my URL. So after that, I'm going to go to my website. To visit my site, I'm going to click on read today, visit site. Now on my website, you can see that I place a title like us, and you can see that we have these icons here. So as you can see, there's a green color when I place my cursor on this page, and this one is of color gray. I'm going to put this color green as this one so that our display look better. I am now going to use the Google Chrome feature. If you're using the Google Chrome browser, you just have to click on tools here and the developer tool to see the green color code. Okay, I'm going to just try to find this. Okay, I've already searched for the number. I'm going to paste the number. To do that, I'm going to go to widget again. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. Once on my dashboard, I am going to go to appearance, again on widget. I'm going to edit the primary sidebar. I'm going to click on simple social icon. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to put the green color code, which I already found. It's this one here, already place it here. Then I am going to save the changes. I'm going to simply click on save, visit my website. I'll click on read today visit site to visit my website. Okay, we are now on our website. As you can see, these social media icons are now of color green and it looks quite nice. I'm now going to go on the contributors page. I'm going to add an image here. To add an image, you have to go to the dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, I'm going to go to the user and I'm going to edit my profile. Okay, once here you can see that the email address you place here determines your photo for this contributors page, as the profile page for this email address will be the one which will be placed for your contributors page. If you don't want that, you can go to on Gravatar. This is a WordPress website. Here you just have to sign up, and you can sign up for free here. You just sign up, give your username and your password. Once your procedure is complete, you can sign in and upload your photos and save. Then the photo here will be placed on the contributors page. So now, as my website is done, I'm going to visit it again. Okay, we now have our website complete. You can see we have our home page, about, contributors, and the contact me page, and we have the same here as well. Like, we have the like us with the social media icons and the join us on Facebook, as well as we have our sidebar and our image post, blog post, video post, and the audio post as well. Okay, last I'm going to show you how to edit an image on your website. For example, I'm going to edit this image, so I'm going to directly click on edit. Once here, I'm going to go to the featured image. I'm going to change the featured image. I'm going to click on remove featured image. Featured image is removed. So now I'm going to set a new featured image. I'm going to click on set featured image. Now I'm going to choose my featured image. I'm going to click on this one, for example. Now I'm going to click on set featured image. As you can see, it's already set as my featured image. I'm directly going to click on update to update this post. Okay, once updated, I can click on view post or go directly to my site. I'm going to click on visit site. Once here, you can change this image by the same procedure. I'm going to change it. Okay, once back on our website, you can see that I've already changed the photo here, and I've placed some more images by the same procedure to place in the tile gallery. Now we are done with our website. Congratulations. Once done, you can edit or place posts whenever you want by the same procedure. Okay, I would like to thank you for viewing, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the name of my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful and you're serious about your website, you can see my video again and again to set up your well up and running website. Also, you can like and share my video. If you have any question and queries, you can leave a comment just below here and I will quickly catch to you. Thank you for viewing once again.